Welcome to the new session of Finer Points of Java. Today, the topic for the discussion is command line arguments. So, firstly, discussing the theory part. What is the significance of command line arguments? Basically, these are the arguments which are passed during the execution of Java program in the command prompt. Like in the program, these past arguments are used by the array of object of string class. Like suppose during runtime the usual command we give is java and then the name of class. But here what we'll use is java name of class and then the zeroth argument, then the first argument. It is the usual way like we use the any array. Now discussing the first example. In the command prompt, at the compile time, the command is javac and then the name of the Java program. At runtime, we use Java and then the name of class containing the main method. In this example, we can use any other string with the runtime command. Now this string kaka will be stored in the zeroth argument, which we can access or print in our program. Now understanding this whole scenario using the diagram. Like we earlier discussed, there is an array of string which we define at the time of defining the main method, that is public static void main followed by the string args. This is the array which gets populated when we pass command line arguments. Now if we write the whole command in command prompt, that is java abc, that is the name of class containing the main method, ross and then monica. So the raw string belongs to args0 and monica string belongs to args1. So for the extra information, also the format which is possible is public static void main followed by string and followed by three dots and then the name of the array. This is another representation which we can use for any type of array called variable length array. Now the exceptions which are possible are, first case, we are giving two arguments belonging to args1 args2, and in the program if we try to access the args2, and the exception which occurs is array index out of bounds exception. Case 2, this is the command which we give, and in the program if we write this following snippet of code, and if by force we are passing the Ross and Michael string during the runtime, then the number format exception occurs. Now discussing the third scenario. The same snippet of code with, but we are passing the float number instead of the integers. So here the number format exception occurs. For the alright execution of this code, we'll be passing the arguments of same data type that we are trying to use them in our program execution. So that's all for this video. If you find this video interesting or informative, then please like and share this video and do subscribe to Final Points of Java. Thank you.